In our last video, we discussed some common paint problems and how you can avoid them. In this video, we're going to discuss a few more. Next. Color verification. Some painters expect a perfect color match without color verification. The color verification process must be done early in the repair process to reduce or eliminate color match issues in the spray booth. The paint applied to the vehicle is a part of the repair process. Just as replacement parts are verified for correctness before assembling, the color must also be verified before application. Color verification is critical for every car. Just because the last 3 vehicles with the same paint code were painted using variant 1, we can't assume it will match the 4th car with the same color code. The color verification process should include a review of the repair order with the production manager. Is there enough area for a successful blend? Can the customer's expectations be achieved? Reading the vehicle with a photospectrometer. Reviewing the available formulas and color chip location in the color retrieval program. Checking to see if you have an existing spray-out card that is an acceptable match. Creating a spray-out card in the same environment, using the same equipment and air pressure that is going to be used to refinish the vehicle. Evaluating the color in natural sunlight or with a full spectrum light source. Speeding up the curing process. Typically, a spray booth with a convection heat bake oven is used to accelerate the paint curing process when using standard refinish paint products, but this approach can only go so far. It is possible to significantly shorten drying and/or cure schedules of auto refinish coatings by using modern technology such as infrared curing equipment. Usually, this approach is most effective with clear coats, but can also be used with base coats and/or primers. Infrared curing equipment has been available for quite a long time, but recent developments in monitoring and automation have enabled entire spray booths to be converted into extremely effective application and curing stations. Properly employed, infrared curing can decrease paint cure cycle times by up to 70%. In terms of clear coat chemistry, it is also possible to develop very fast drying 2K polyurethane clear coats for use on smaller repair areas or 1 to 3 panels. These speed clears can significantly increase productivity on certain jobs without the need for curing or baking equipment. The chemistry utilizes special high molecular weight polymers in the A component, which provide a lacquer dry effect, yet include the durability and appearance of a 2K polyurethane. They're especially useful in body shops that do not have heated spray booths. Proper cleaning. One of the most common paint issues in collision repair facilities is not properly cleaning a surface and painting over contaminants, which can cause problems such as low gloss, cratering, and poor adhesion. Proper surface cleaning is critical. It is the foundation of a shop's work, and good surface cleaning actually saves paint and materials. Here are some recommended steps. Start with 2 types of cleaner, waterborne followed by solvent-borne, ensuring the use of proper cleaner for the substrate and contamination, because cleaners can differ between metal and plastic prep, for example. Use clean, white, lint-free rags during the cleaning process. Use a 2-rag method of wiping and cleaning. 1 rag to wet and clean the surface, and the other to remove contaminants and thoroughly dry the surface. Change rags frequently. Thoroughly dry the surface before the cleaner evaporates. Remember that plastic parts must be thoroughly cleaned to remove mold release agents with proper surface cleaners. Following good processes helps prevent costly redos. Be sure to use manufacturer-recommended PPE when handling any cleaning products. The best way to manage any of these issues is to create standard operating procedures and make sure your team follows them. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.